hump a bear?
Are you gonna hump it?
Dog.
Do like Lady Gaga.
I wanna kiss
She
you.
humps a whale in her.
Bluffin' with my muffin. It's true, muffin is vagina.
I love you, Jenny.
Oh yeah, Tina told me about that. Or was it you who told me about that?
Spencer?
I don't know. Her?
I love you, Jenny. First expensive.
You have to end with that.
What the hell?
What are you doing? How come it's kind of blurry? Can it refocus itself?
Press it lightly.
Nothing's working. I'll do it.
Maybe it's dirty.
Oh. Take off your clothes. Just kidding.
Did you see the video when I flashed Santa into the world?
Yeah.
But
And you were like, ah! It looked like you were gonna cry.
I was gonna cry.
Oh,
You did cry when she told us the story about her friend.
I only cried a little bit. But I was crying from laughter and from you stealing my friend.
I didn't feel her. She moved away from you.
Who's your friend?
Melanie.
Who's Melanie?
Do you remember Melanie who always hung out with Haley and Warner?
That Melanie?
Yeah.
That was your friend? What a small world. Because
Well, me
Melanie,
and her.
one day,
She was like my best friend or anything.
for
You
real.
weren't like my best friend or anything, but
I think
you're
she's
one of
gonna
my
see
friends.
this video.
Huh?
Maybe she or are. Maybe she is.
Maybe she are.
I'll send it to her. Because she's my friend on MySpace.
Oh snap. Oh
You better
snap.
not, you
Oh
better not.
snap.
I will.
Jerry.
do
Jerry. Jerry.
I will.
Jerry.
I dare you.
Jerry.
I was going to anyway.
Oh. Okay,
Whatever, okay.
We're done.
Okay.
I think we're done.
Oh shoot, this is recording. What you got to say? Bad boys, bad boys.
I
what
like
you gonna do? What you gonna
bad
do when
boys.
they come for you? Nostrils. Turtle's bending over.
Like she does every night.
Oh.
With who?
Oh.
With who? A white boy?
Or a hot blue dog. Is this like Blue's Clues? No, huh?
Blue does not even look like that.
How do you know?
He's like five
You get it
already.
together with Blue? Dang, you have
I have a what? What
no,
now?
I meant you have a lot of time on your thing. My
Oh.
camera has, like, I have a bunch of pictures on here. Oh, really? Okay, maybe it's because I have too many pictures on there. And my picture files are huge.
Keep on talking.
It's never ending.
Don't listen to me.
What the heck? It was super quiet and you were talking.
Yeah. Who listens to continue talking?
Really? Look at my tan. A thong tan. Why are you wearing socks in the summer? Nobody wears socks.
I just put them on.
Mental problems.
She looks mental.
It's so blurry. Maybe it'll show up clear on the computer, huh?
I don't think so.
No.
Look at that Christmas tree. It's gonna stay up till next Christmas.
No, it's already July.
I know.
Christmas in July, man.
What is that from?
I don't know.
I hear it all the time. sounds
I think it was a
Is
movie.
An illusion or what?
Christmas in July?
It was a. I don't know.
I think it was a movie.
Gucci.
No!
Did your underwear show?
No.
Did your bush show?
Earthquake. World dead. You said cheese. Oh, embarrassing.
This is my bad side.
Okay.
Go sit over there. That's right.
That's really close.
How attractive.
I know. What is this boy, Tracy? This boy that who tagged herself in your picture, and I was like,
Cheeto.
I thought she thought Cheeto.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And?
Yeah.
She didn't avoid it. Oh my gosh. So there's like this.
He's just cute. He's not even from California.
I know.
Who's Cheeto?
California. I saw
Ooh.
this thing for fun.
Yeah.
This dude.
Who's Cheeto?
Added
Blake.
her, and he added me for some reason. I don't know why.
Blake.
I don't talk to him.
He hadn't been a long time ago. Is it Blake?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ew.
And like I commented her picture. And
Who
then
is it?
He
Ew.
also someone comment after you, and then he's all like,
Really? I never get MySpace emails like notifying you or anything.
all mine, and her picture.
Really?
Yeah.
so
And he
cute.
totally tagged himself in her picture. He's not even in it. He just tagged like a lantern.
Nicole, and there's some other white chick's hands. I mean, no racist. Tracy's racist. That's my phone. Hello? I'm at Jennifer's house. 9. I already did. I got home at like 3. Yeah. She told me to call her back tonight to check for the schedule.
I missed it.
Oh.
Yeah. No. I know. Okay. Okay. Alright, okay. Bye. I have to call and check my schedule. Bye. 5.
5 to what?
I don't know.
What's tomorrow? Thursday? Okay.
Yeah, tomorrow's
So you work 5 to like 8 or 9 or whatever?
Thursday. Probably.
Let's see. Ooh, that's after my practice.
Are you gonna go eat?
I don't know. I don't think my mom's gonna take me all the way over there.
Yeah.
To McDonald's like by both of us.
Oh.
Okay. Wait, I was gonna say if you're working on Friday because if you're working at like 10 o'clock, then I could pick you up and do a midnight adventure.